Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today, as many days, I am the underwear woodworker. Sometimes I'm the underwear gardener, sometimes I'm the underwear brush cutter. I just got this thing called a scythe, or scythe. The C is not pronounced. So I take this and I cut the grass down like the good old days. But today I'm the underwear woodworker. And underwear are just a great thing to wear in public. I mean, around your house, in public, at the beach, wherever. Just wear your underwear. It's totally legal. You're not showing anything. You can wear underwear anywhere. You could go to New York City and walk around downtown in your underwear. So, anyways, today I am making this shindig massage tool, and I've got it sanded down to 220 grit, very, very smooth, like butter. And I'm going to take some of this Tung Oil now, and I'm going to put some Tung Oil on it. The Tung Oil is mixed with a 50% mixture of citrus solvent. And to save a sponge, I'm just going to use this paper towel. I've only got one thing to put stuff on today, and so we'll just use a paper towel here real quick like and put it on. Totally natural, beautiful finish. Yeah, it's really nice when there's this tree cover, the leaves covering everything here. So the people up there can't see me. I guess if they were home they could see me, but the people across the street, they sure as shit can't see me. And you know, I'm not worried about it. I'm just thinking in terms of like, well, are they worried about it? Seeing me out here in my underwear. But you know, people are. I mean, years ago when I was doing massage videos in my underwear, or just without a shirt on, if I didn't wear a shirt, you know, I would get a lot of views. But at the same time, sometimes people would like, put a shirt back on. What kind of a professional are you? So like, I was a licensed massage therapist, right? And so people expected me to be quote unquote professional. So it's not professional to not have a shirt on. In fact, you should have some kind of a uniform on. That's the thing. People think a uniform makes you professional. People have gone to their doctors in these white uniforms at hospitals and various really professional places to find that they couldn't help them. And then they watched my videos with me in my fucking underwear with no shirt on. And within 10 minutes, they were feeling better. I'd fixed them. I told them the real deal with how to fix their problem. And that was the end of that shit. That was the end of that shit. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, that appearances do not always mean anything at all. I'm gonna put it on thick, baby. Thick. It really absorbs fast. See, and that's why I'm wearing these gloves. I do not want it to absorb into my skin. This shindig is going out to Brandon. It's got the same name as my brother. My parents decided that it would be cool to name their kids like names that sounded alike. Brett and Brandon. Unfortunately, we hate each other. Oh well. He's kind of a no-brain person, you know? It's one of those no-brain, no common sense, no natural sense, no natural common sense people. There's a whole lot of them out there. So, this stuff you can just kind of keep putting it on and it just builds. Doesn't have to dry, really. I mean it does, but in between coats it really doesn't have to dry. You can just add at least a couple, 2 or 3 coats, and it just gets soaked. Just soaks it right in there. And it just feels like butter smooth. Really nice. Okay, well, there we go. So there you have it from the Underwear Woodworker. Hope you're doing well today.